Bitcoin is turning here more and more bullish on different time frames, and I gonna show you something that hasn't happened for Bitcoin in quite a while and makes me super bullish in the long term. So definitely stick around here until the end and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will always be notified when I put out a new video like this. And now let's jump here directly in today's content. So first of all, I want to show you what did not happen in a long time here for Bitcoin, and that is that we have broken out of this massive downtrend that was going on for over a year. So 1 year and almost 2 months was this downtrend here going on for Bitcoin, and in the last 2 days we have finally broken above that. And in my opinion, it's also confirmed that we're going to stay above that. Of course, we can come down to retest that would then solidify the confirmation. But I think how things are looking right now, it's definitely possible that Bitcoin will not come back and test this and directly continues to go here into higher price levels. So this here is of course on the daily chart, so and that was really important for Bitcoin to break this downwards sloping resistance line here, to break the downtrend and to flip here bullish again. Again, I'm not saying that we are out of the bear market. We are still in between, in transition between bear market into bull market. We are in a bull market when we get over $25,000, in my opinion. Before that, I'm still more neutral bullish. So also when we look here on the logarithmic growth curve on the weekly chart here on the Brave New Coin, then we see Bitcoin is about to break back into this channel here. And every time when we broke down out of this channel and came back into it, we never fell under it until the next bear market, as we can see here and there. And now we're about to break also here above this support line of that logarithmic growth curve. And when we do that, either in this coming week or the week after that, and settle here in that area, then we can definitely say this is the start of the bull run to 100%. And of course, when we break here this vertical line, and yeah, that will just be the cherry on the cake. So when we go now into the lower time frames, on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that we have a rising wedge here for the imminent short term. Also, when we look on the EMA ribbon, the price action is sitting above the EMA ribbon, which is for the time being really good. Also on the stochastic RSI, we still see momentum going to the upside. And something that I have not shown in quite a while, let me see, is the MACD. Let's see how the MACD is looking. The MACD is also about to flip bullish here. So, and of course, while we're in a rising wedge, we will see more upwards momentum to test the top of the rising wedge. And that is coincidentally also around the $24,000 level, 23,850. So would I open here now a long position? No, not quite yet. Let me show you where I would open a long position. For that, I go into the 30 minutes chart, because here on the 30 minutes chart, we have here a nice W pattern that we are forming. So when we break above the neckline at $22,970, there we can open a long position when we see at least a 15 minutes and a 30 minutes candle confirming a retest and then going to the upside. That's where we can open a long position. And when we go and measure the target for that, then we see that the target is at 23,344. So this is roughly over 1% to the upside. So you're 1.6%, so that would be a scalp trade. There I would use maybe 25x leverage, 30x leverage. With 30x leverage, we would make almost 50% on that trade here. Don't forget, guys, on BYBIT you still get $30,000 absolutely for free if you sign up with my link, and also on Bitget $20,000 absolutely for free for using my links here. It's a win-win. You get a bonus. I will earn something from it when you trade. I'm absolutely transparent with that. So, but only with these links you will be able to claim the bonuses in the description or in the pinned comment below. So now let's go back here to Bitcoin, to the daily chart, because also here we see Bitcoin yesterday tested exactly the lower end of this bigger resistance area at $23,300 and got rejected from there. But I can tell you guys, once the Bitcoin price is breaking in here and settles, that we're most likely gonna rip through this really fast, because here above $24,100 we are entering this liquidity gap that I was talking about also yesterday, and there nothing is stopping Bitcoin to go to $28,000-$30,000 in the immediate short term. So when I look here on the stochastic RSI, I think we could have another day of downward upwards pressure in the tank for Bitcoin to go here to the upside. But then of course there has to come some sort of correction or sideways movement so that the indicators can cool down finally, and then we will see the next leg to the upside. Guys, that was a really quick update today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.